Once people got to recognise that the Americans were here for a considerable period, they started embracing some of the stuff that they did.
I was a student in the early stages, so I was at RGIT, and I think really simple things like what was different. We had an American burger bar, Radars in town.
Radars was the first American hamburger joint, and then all of a sudden, wow, look at this.
Toch gedaan ze die de moeie pas bij gewoon toe na Conrain ik doe je naar wel gaan je gewoon op een doe je op een man.
If you're a restaurateur, it was tremendous because suddenly there were people with gold Amex cards and what we used to call the 2 martini lunch.
We had 2 American stores open up. The stores were filled with marshmallow, cakes with a special frosting, all sorts of Kellogg products, and always sugary. You know, this was part of the American community.
How are you? I didn't see you standing there.
Agus nuair wat kon je met de school àrainneachd.
I started the American school with 16 children, and by the time I left at the end of 4 years, I had 400 children with a turnover within the year 800.
My mum and dad had a hotel, the Crescent Hotel in Bonaccord Crescent. I just remember everybody talking about oil and gas, everybody having lots of money, quite a lot of Americans being in town.
You would go down Union Street and you would see, without fail, half a dozen cowboys.
They're called the Tory Texans by some of us who are not oily Aberdonians.
I did see a few. The late Harold Bell, who had the Bell's Hotel, he sported a Stetson to everyone's amusement.
We just seemed to accept that suddenly there was this industry on our doorstep. It seemed to be, in my younger eyes, a license to print money.